Welcome to the channel, everyone. It's Saturday, April 19th, 2025, which means it's time for your weekly dose of AI news today. And trust me, this week has been huge. We've got some major updates from OpenAI and Google, a leadership shakeup at Intel, and even the FDA is getting in on the action. We're talking next-level AI models, groundbreaking medical approvals, and even AI making waves in the art world. We're going to break it all down, look at what's changed, and talk about what it all means. If you're ready to dive into the future of AI, hit that subscribe button and let's get right into it. First up, OpenAI is at it again, pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. They just dropped not one, but two new AI models, O3 and O4 Mini. Now, you might remember O2 from a few months back. It was a beast. But O3 is on a whole other level. We're talking advanced reasoning capabilities, deeper understanding of complex concepts, and the ability to interact with all of ChatGPT's tools. And for those of you who need something a little more lightweight, O4 Mini is here to deliver. It's designed for speed and efficiency, perfect for mobile applications and devices. But here's where it gets really interesting. Both O3 and O4 Mini are built to interpret visual inputs. That means you can feed them images, diagrams, even videos, and they can understand the context and provide insights. We've seen AI image recognition before, but this is different. This is about true visual understanding. And the best part, OpenAI has made these models significantly more affordable and accessible. They're really pushing for wider adoption, making it easier for businesses and developers to integrate these powerful tools into their workflows. Not to be outdone, Google is also making big moves in the AI space. They just announced Gemini 2.5 Flash, the latest iteration of their powerful AI platform. And this time they've added a game-changing feature, the thinking budget. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a thinking budget? Well, it's actually pretty genius. It basically lets developers control how much cognitive effort the AI puts into different tasks. Think of it like this. You can allocate more of the AI's processing power to tasks that require high accuracy, like medical diagnosis, and less to things like summarizing articles, where speed might be more important. This is huge for businesses because it means they can now optimize their AI usage for cost, speed, or accuracy, depending on their specific needs. It's all about finding that sweet spot between performance and efficiency. And from what I've seen, Gemini 2.5 Flash is incredibly powerful. It's lightning fast, highly adaptable, and the thinking budget adds a whole new layer of control and flexibility. Google is really stepping up their game in the AI race. Now, let's switch gears and talk about Intel. They've been making some major changes under their new CEO, Lip Bhutan, and it looks like AI is at the forefront of their strategy. They just announced a significant leadership restructuring, and the big news is that Sachin Katti has been promoted to Chief Technology and AI Officer. Now, Sachin is a big deal in the AI world. He's got a ton of experience, and this move shows that Intel is dead serious about becoming a major player in the AI hardware game. They're investing heavily in research and development, focusing on building the next generation of AI chips that are faster, more efficient, and specifically designed for AI workloads. And it looks like they're streamlining their operations too, moving away from some of their legacy businesses and focusing on areas where they see the most growth potential, like AI and cloud computing. This is a bold move for Intel, but it's clear that they're not afraid to make big changes to stay ahead of the curve. It'll be interesting to see how this plays out in the coming years. All right, let's move on to something that could have a huge impact on all of our lives, healthcare. The FDA just granted breakthrough device designation to an AI tool called DamoPanda, and this is a big deal. DamoPanda is an AI model that's designed to detect pancreatic cancer. And it's incredibly accurate. We're talking 92.9% sensitivity and nearly perfect specificity at 99.9%. To put that into perspective, that's better than most radiologists. Early detection is crucial for pancreatic cancer, and this tool has the potential to save countless lives. The breakthrough device designation means that the FDA will fast-track the development and review process, so we could see this technology being used in hospitals and clinics very soon. This is just the beginning of what AI can do in healthcare. From diagnosing diseases to developing new treatments, the possibilities are endless. and the investment in AI healthcare continues to grow. Leidos, a global leader in technology and engineering, just announced a $10 million partnership with the University of Pittsburgh. Their goal? To develop even more powerful AI tools for disease detection and treatment. They're focusing on creating AI models that can analyze massive amounts of medical data, identify patterns, and provide doctors with actionable insights. Imagine an AI that can predict which patients are at risk of developing certain diseases, or one that can personalize treatment plans based on a patient's unique genetic makeup. This partnership is a great example of how industry leaders and research institutions are coming together to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. And with that kind of investment and collaboration, we can expect to see some incredible breakthroughs in the years to come. Now let's shift gears again and talk about something a little different. AI in journalism. Over in Italy, the newspaper Il Foglio is fully embracing AI-generated content. They're using AI to write headlines, intros, even entire articles, and they're loving it. Apparently the AI has a knack for writing in an ironic and engaging style that's resonating with their readers. Now, this doesn't mean robots are taking over journalism just yet. Human editors are still involved in the process, reviewing and refining the AI-generated content. But it does raise some interesting questions about the future of writing and the role of AI in creative fields. Could AI become a valuable tool for journalists, helping them to generate ideas, write faster, and reach a wider audience? Is definitely something to keep an eye on. And finally, let's talk about AI in the art world. Renowned painter David Salle is debuting a new collection of artwork at the Thaddeus Ropac Gallery, and there's a twist. Some of the pieces were created with the help of AI. Salle has been experimenting with AI image generation tools, using them to generate ideas, textures, and even entire compositions. He then takes these AI-generated elements and incorporates them into his traditional painting process. The result is a fascinating blend of human and machine creativity, raising questions about authorship, originality, and the very definition of art. Is it collaboration? Is it simply a new set of tools for artists to explore? Whatever your take, there's no denying that AI is starting to make its mark on the art world. And that's a wrap on another week of AI News Today. From groundbreaking medical approvals to AI making headlines, literally, and even creating art, it's clear that AI is rapidly changing the world around us. So, what update caught your eye the most? Are you excited about the potential of AI in healthcare? Or maybe you're a little wary of AI writing the news? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. And as always, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on tomorrow's dose of AI news. Until then, stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.